Pranshu Pandey.
Hello friends.
Rank 35 JEE Advanced 2019, and we are in IIT Bombay right now with a lot of brains surrounding us and a lot of greens. How are you feeling?
I am feeling very good, but the rain is disturbing a lot.
Not used to it.
Yes.
पूरे time बारिश होती रहती है, it's understandable. So you got rank 35, right? Were you expecting it?
No, I was expecting a pretty better rank.
How better?
Approximately top 10 I was expecting
Achha.
at the beginning.
35, right?
Yes.
So are you disappointed?
Somewhat.
Oh,
But
damn. Okay. Which branch have you selected?
I selected a CSE branch.
And have you made any new friends over here?
Yes,
कितने
somewhat.
दिन हो गए तुम्हें यहाँ पर?
Approximately 5 to 6 days.
Okay. So tell me, when did you start preparing for JEE?
I started preparing for JEE in the class 10.
In class 10. While preparing for JEE, you must have like 10th boards and then 12th boards. तो तुमने वो balance out कैसे किया?
That was not a big issue.
अच्छा. Okay.
For the boards I started studying a month before the exams.
Okay.
And it just worked out a good.
How much did you get in the 12th boards?
12th board I got 95.2%. That is why I was saying it worked out pretty good.
Today Pranshu is going to be showing us around the campus, and we will be first going into his room. Let's go. Tell me a little bit about MyPad. वो कैसे helpful था तुम्हें? You know, you'll have to sit in front of the computer screen and actually solve the paper. How was it helpful in that way?
See, actually MyPad provided me the online platform, the various conceptual papers, chapter-wise papers, and also the full syllabus papers.
Right.
The most important that I felt, that was the full syllabus paper.
Right.
Actually, in the last few days before the JEE exam, it helped me a lot because the paper helped me in analyzing my mistakes
Yeah.
and to correct it at the last moment.
Right.
That was the biggest one.
उसपे strength और weaknesses भी बताते हैं. तुमने वो देखा? वो feature use किया था तुमने?
यूज़ किया था.
हाँ.
तभी वो एनालिसिस में वो मदद मिली
अच्छा.
कि एक्चुअली मुझे पता चला कि मतलब ये मेरा टॉपिक वीक है, तो उस पर फिर मैंने ज़्यादा फोकस किया.
हाँ. Right. Tell me a little bit about FitG. FitG में तुम्हें कैसी help मिली and what exactly were you doing there?
Actually, the FitG helped me in clearing my doubts. And also the weak topics that I spotted with the help of MyPad, they also helped me in clearing the doubts in that topic.
Right.
And also provided me additional questions so that my concept becomes stronger and stronger.
So you went for the course called ICT. What is
Yes.
that all about?
In that course, the WhatsApp group was created by the teachers, FitG teacher, faculty. That I uploaded the question in the WhatsApp group. When they get time, maximum at delay of 1 hour, they send the solution or also discussed with me the solution.
Okay.
And also asked my approach, how I approach the question.
Right.
So that also helped me
So
in
they analyzed how you actually approach a question and how you go about solving it and corrected it from
Yes.
there. Okay. What about the peer group at FitG? How did those guys help you get to where you are today?
Actually, in FitG there was a very tough competition. So it motivated me to work harder and harder to achieve a good rank in JEE.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about social media. Were you on any social media platforms while you were preparing for JEE?
Well, actually, I was not on any social platform.
कहीं account?
No, only in WhatsApp for the FitG group.
अच्छा.
That was the only one.
What were the factors that helped you be motivated, stay motivated, and
First,
get to your
the
target?
peer group and also the FitG faculty. FitG teachers motivated me that you can do better. Just work hard, don't focus on the results, and that helped me a lot.
Great.
Yes.
Do you like your new roommate? उसके सामने नहीं पूछना चाहिए.
नहीं, एक्चुअली अभी मतलब इतना ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं बीता है, तो मतलब अभी तक तो ठीक ही है. एक्चुअली रिलेशंस बेटर.
Wait for it, guys. Wait for it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so are you guys having fun together?
Yes.
कुछ किया
But-
साथ में अभी तक?
Actually, we watched a movie.
That's nice. So you guys are watching movies together.
Yes.
How are you liking the campus?
Campus is really good.
Pranshu, where are you taking me next?
To the lakeside.
Yes, let's go to the lakeside.
This is the Powai Lake.
At the lake. We are at the lake. We are at the Powai Lake. तुम्हें पसंद है ये जगह?
हाँ.
This is a kind of a place where you can, leave your stress and it makes you feel peaceful, right?
Yes.
But during your preparation, I'm sure it must have been very stressful, doing so much. There was so much syllabus to cover, and there's this whole pressure of getting to the top 10 in your case. How did you manage that stress?
Well, actually, I used to watch the YouTube videos. There are some cases when I wasn't able to get out my stress even after watching the videos. So I used to watch the motivational movies like MS Dhoni.
Hey, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो motivation के लिए. For example, you are studying the test and you face a question जहाँ तुम्हें लग रहा है कि मुझे question नहीं आता है. तो उस time पे एक panic situation create हो जाती है, right? So what advice would you give to somebody who is facing a situation like that in an exam?
I will just suggest just take a sip of water and skip the question.
Skip the question.
Actually, it would lead to a wastage of time.
Right.
So you have to skip the question.
Tell me, what did you do like a day before exam?
Well, I did the FITGI paper, to be honest.
Okay.
I did 3 papers. Because of anxiety, I did 3 papers.
Exactly what I'm talking about.
Yes,
Anxiety I was talking about. Did that impact your performance in any way?
Yes, somewhat. I
How?
was little tired the next day.
Right. And would you want to give any tips for the day of the exam?
Just give your best performance. Forget everything else. It is the competition between you and JE. So just give the best shot and don't worry about the result.
Did you worry about the result?
No, somewhat. Yes.
Should we walk a little bit ahead there? Yeah? Let's go. So Pranshu, tell me, what was your favorite subject and how did you prepare for it?
Well, my favorite subject was mathematics. For the preparation purpose, I just did questions and questions.
Would you like to tell us what books you used during your preparation for maths, physics and chemistry?
For maths, I used the book written by Sameer Bansal, Amarnath Anand's book for the algebra. For physics, I used the Erdo and Krotov. For chemistry, for physical chemistry, I used Peter Atkins. Might some of you would have known. For organic, I used Claydon and J.D. March. And inorganic, I used J.D. Lee.
On that note, we would like to say, please subscribe to the channel. What are you doing? Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and people like Pranshu Pandey जिसने
Phod diya.
And do not forget to hit the bell icon for more videos like these, because every time I come here, you'll get a notification and you want that. And please do not forget to
Like and share the video with your friends.
And there's something really cool on your phone right now. You have to go into the App Store and download the MyPad app. Did you download it?
Yes.
Yes. I will see you when I see you. Until then, peace and love. Oh, so cute.